we are discussing about how to use do-while loop. The Java do-while loop. The Java do-while loop is used to iterate a part of the program several times. The do-while loop is an exit control loop that repeats a statement or a block of statement until its test condition remains true. If the number of iteration is not fixed and you must have to execute the loop at least once, it is recommended to use do-while loop. The Java do-while loop is executed at least once because condition is checked after the loop body. Here is the syntax of loop. Do while, do, code to be executed, while, condition. It is also known as post condition check rule. During execution of a do while loop, the body of the loop is executed and then the value of the condition is evaluated. If the condition is true, the body of the loop is re-executed. As soon as the condition becomes false, the loop is terminated. A loop control variable is used to control the number of iterations of the do-while loop. Here is the flow control of do-while loop. First of all, do and then a statement. If first of all the body of the loop will take place, execute, and then the condition checked. If the condition is false, then it will be terminate from the loop. It clearly shows that once a statement will always be executed, whether the condition is true or false. Let's see the code. While example. First of all, we make a class, public class do while example, curly braces open, and then place a public static void main string args. And inside the main method, we make a do statement. First of all, we initialize the value, that is, first of all we make initialization, that is int I is equals to 1, and then we apply the do condition, system.out.println I plus plus while I less than equals to 10 and curly braces close, curly braces close. See what happens, that it will print the value 1 to 10 as it gives the condition I less than equals to 10. Let's execute it. First of all, we just save it and then execute it. Zavak, we are in the file location already, that is program assignment Java tutorials, and then I write Zavak do while example dot Java. See, it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. Java do while example. It will print 1 to 10. We already know that do while is a post condition check loop. Let's suppose if I write here I is less than equals to 10 and I put the value I is equals to 11. Okay, so it will print 11 first time and then it will just terminate from the loop. Let's see it. I just save it and I write Zavak do while example.java. It compiles successfully. Let's execute it. See, it will print once the loop, that is it will print once a time, and after I is equals to 11 it will print I is equals to 11, and then it goes to and check the condition. Oh, the condition is false, so it just terminate out of the loop. So if we want to print at least one time of the statement, then we can use do while loop. So this is the example of do while loop. Thank you.